Doc, anong clinic name at location ng clinic? Okay, so may page ba itong clinic nyo? So you have 2 branches daw.
Yeah.
Paano magpabook ng appointment dito? You accept walk-in or strictly by appointment? Accredited ba itong clinic nyo ng HMO? Mode of payment naman, Doc. Meron tayong TMJ specialist, orthodontist, endodontist, implant, pediatric dentist, periodontist, and cosmetic dentist. So ang question ko is, sa mga nabanggit ko na specialization, ano yung mga nagagawa mo dito sa clinic?
So from MMG Smile Dental Clinic, ayan. Estimated time, papunta tayo sa QC, sa clinic grade natin. 38 minutes lang po. Let's G! Hello mga katuts! Andito tayo ngayon sa QC para gawin ang ating 4th clinic grade and talk with Doc Noy dito sa Brucal Dental Studio. So para mas makilala nyo yung dentista na para sa inyo, kung nandito lang kayo sa QC, tara, puntahan na natin yung Brucal Dental Studio. Let's go! Meron ditong isang business. Ayan, andito yung clinic ni Doc. Tara, puntahan na natin si Doc. Hello, Doc! Ayan. Sarili nyo sa ating mga katuts.
So, hi guys! Hi katuts! My name is Dr. Heinrich Jeff Brocano and my patients call me Doc H for short.
Doc, anong clinic name at location ng clinic?
Okay, so my clinic's name is Brucal Dental Studio. It is located in 18 Cirilo, Barangay Holy Spirit, Quezon City. So, that's in Don Antonio.
May page ba itong clinic nyo?
Yeah, you can search it up using Brucal Dental Studio Don Antonio, and I have another branch which is in Batasan, and that is Brucal Dental Studio Talanay branch.
So you have 2 branches though?
Yeah, I have.
Wow! So paano magpabook ng appointment dito? Do you accept walk-in or strictly by appointment?
So we highly asked our patients if they could just book their appointments ahead of time, and if may mga emergency cases naman, we accept also walk-ins. So you can book us sa page namin, which will be posted later by Doc Noy siguro, no?
Yes. At least this clinic is tumatanggap ng walk-in at the same time. Siyempre, iba pa rin yung appointment kasi mayroon silang time talaga, right? And accredited ba tong clinic yun ng HMO?
So currently, no, but we are under the process.
Okay, so sooner, baka pag kinontak ka nila, magkaroon na kayo ng HMO.
Yeah.
Okay. At least meron yung mga katus natin makonsider na later on, magkakaroon ng HMO itong Brucal Dental Studio. And mode of payment naman, Doc.
So we accept cash, we accept bank transfers, we accept credit card payments na rin, no? Because since we have POS machine naman here, any mode of payment, kaya naman namin dito sa clinic.
Wow! Wide range of payment na available dito. Kaya sa mga katulad natin dyan na gustong magpagawa ng ngipin nila pero walang cash, pwede nyo pong gamitin yung iba't ibang platform ng mode of payment. And Doc, ang dami nating mga specializations sa dentistry field. Meron tayong TMJ specialist, orthodontist, endodontist, implant, pediatric dentist, periodontist, and cosmetic dentist. So ang question ko is, sa mga nabanggit ko na specialization, ano yung mga nagagawa mo dito sa clinic?
So guys, right after I graduated sa university, I do general dentistry stuff. So I do cleaning, restoration, bunot, pasta, root canal. And then right after, I had several trainings or certifications. That's why I can do orthodontics, I can do surgeries as well. And recently, I just graduated from UP. I studied cosmetic dentistry, no? And then I trained also for root canal treatments for complicated cases as well. So name it, I think we could do it because I plan or envision this clinic to be a one-stop shop. So this is hopefully maging multidisciplinary clinic.
Wow, that's great, Doc, for sharing that. This clinic is really a good clinic na i-consider ng mga katuts natin na kaya nyo i-perform yung mga dental problems nila, right? Invite mo naman ang ating mga katuts dyan dito sa clinic.
So guys, if you feel like malapit kayo dito and you're looking for Doc Noy and malayo sa location niya, you can try our clinic since we offer both services naman that you can offer on their clinic as well, no? Apart from that, if you feel like yung personality ko, pasok sa gusto nyo, and yung convenience-wise, financial-wise, I think you can naman. So, I don't see any reason not to visit our clinic. So guys, come na sa clinic.
Okay mga katuts, that's for part 1 ng ating Clinic Raid and Talk with Doc Noy. And abangan nyo dahil may part 2 tayo ng Clinic Raid and Talk with Doc Noy. So see you mga katuts!